of catfishing. You might think it won't happen to you, but watch out. That was in Vancouver, in Washington, but a new study from highspeedinternet.com found that Oregon is one of the states where you are most likely to be catfished. It's number 5, and it'll cost you, on average, $22,000. Yeah, ouch. So we asked you if you have any catfishing stories of your own. This cranky realtor is apparently cranky for a reason. They think they were catfished back in 6th grade when AOL was still a thing, but can't be sure because he has never met her. The Grin Reaper here says he's never been catfished, and the fact that people still get catfished shows a lack of common sense, especially if money is involved. Yeah, $22,000. Now over to our Facebook group, Kicking It with Cassidy. Have you joined it? You should. Scott has a good online dating story to share. Apparently the only person he ever went on an online date with was Baby E's mom, his little baby, and now they've been married for 9 years. And last but not least, Zach, you see him behind the camera that always moves around in the studio, says yes, he has been catfished, but honestly, there were warning signs. Dang, Tinder, and yeah, watch out for the warning signs. If someone looks fishy, they probably are, okay?